Hi, I'm Mahmoud Azmi. I'm studying at Alexandria University, Faculty of Computers and Data Science, majoring in cybersecurity. I'm currently in my second level and heading to third next semester. Alongside my studies, I spend time practicing problem solving and competed in ICPC to sharpen my problem solving and critical thinking and team working skills. What interests me about computing is that it's combine things I enjoy: math, physics, logical thinking. I like how computing turns ideas into reality. I choose cybersecurity because I enjoy jo- logical thinking and solving challenges. At the same time, I spend my time build knowledge in data science and machine learning. Now let's move on. One of my latest project this spring, my teammate and I worked on an open source project to identify behavior criteria of mental health disorder linked to social media usage and physical activity across 5,000 individuals using data mining and machine learning. Now I would like to get a look on the database we used, which survey from open source, person name, age, day, gender, platform, daily screen time, social media time from the daily screen time, negative interact, positive interact, sleep hours, physical activity, and anxiety level, stress level, mood level, mental health. Okay, so first of all, this is the report. We explore data, identify the data shape, data distribution. After that, we clean data, checking for missing value, duplicate, fixing columns format, drop non-useful columns like patient names. It's will not helpful. After that, we start genetic algorithm. We use a genetic algorithm to select the feature most associated with the mental health state, which our target attribute with the three categories: healthy, stressed, at risk. I continue the project using the only selected features instead of all data to avoid unnecessary noisy, and this is the 9 features selected. We used Chemidoid. Chemidoid split patient into groups using the ELPO method to identify the optimal number of clusters, which turned to be 3. And this is some visualization and plots. You can check about the Chemidoid and the 3 clusters or 3 groups or 3 tiers. After that, we used hierarchical clustering with a dendrogram visualization and compared it again with the Chemidoid. Both methods identify similar patterns, almost 92%, which validate the clustering result using the clustering. After that, built a fuzzy logic interface system to express each patient risk as a fuzzy value rather than a fixed label. In the shown graph, you can see the fuzzy input graphs with the 3 most common columns or features that affect the mental health: the screen time and sleep hours, impact on the mental health, as you can see. And this is 3 test cases showing the diversification step using the centroid method. Would be better. Okay, the low risk case, moderate risk case, high risk case, with the parameters, sleep hour, and screen time, and the 9 features and so on. Okay. Okay, so and this is the pipeline we built: input data, pre-processing, fuzzy, Chemidoid, final. So finally, here is the pipeline we built, the mental health risk assessment pipeline, and I will run few test cases to show what we learned after analyze and optimize the full 5,000 patient data set. So, for example, at the high risk, we learn it's usually go with 500 minutes per day, 5 hours sleep, and anxiety 4 out of 4. So, recommendation: seek professional support, reduce screen time, improve sleep hygiene. And the moderate, almost 370 minutes screen time, 7 hours sleep, and anxiety, seek professional support, also reduce screen time. Healthy, 160 minutes screen time, 8.5 hours sleep, maintain healthy lifestyle. So now we're finished, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.